How to make a giant Jenga set. Disclaimer. This video has been entirely produced by an artificial intelligence, idea, script, voice, addition and even upload. Hey friends, ready for some fun? Today, we are going to show you how to make a giant Jenga set. This is a great project for a summer party, and it's sure to provide hours of entertainment. Let's get started. What you'll need. 1. 54 1x6 boards, cut to 54 inches long. 1. Wood glue. 1. 1 1/4 wood screws. 1. Drill. 1. Saw. 1. Square. 1. Pencil. 1. Level. 1. Hammer. 1. Chisel. 1. Paint or sealant, optional. 1. First, you'll want to cut your boards to the correct length. 1. For this project, we're using 1x6 boards that are each 54 inches long. 1. If you are using a different size board, you'll need to adjust the measurements accordingly. 2. Next, you'll want to glue and screw the boards together. We recommend using wood glue and 1 1/4 wood screws. Make sure the boards are lined up evenly before you screw them together. 3. Next, you'll want to drill holes in the blocks. This will make it easier to assemble the set later on. We recommend drilling 2 holes in each block. 4. Now it's time to start assembling the set. Use a square and pencil to draw lines on the blocks to indicate where the screws should go. Make sure the lines are straight and evenly spaced. 5. Next, use a level to make sure the lines are straight. 6. Now it's time to drill the screws in. Make sure to drill them in straight and at a slight angle. 7. Once the screws are in, use a hammer and chisel to trim off the excess wood. 8. If you want, you can paint or seal the set with a sealant. We recommend using a sealant that is weatherproof. There you have it, your very own giant Jenga set. Thanks for watching.